Welcome to all. In this video, we are going to see the Neet-based questions. Okay, now see the problem. Force F is given in terms of time t and distance x by F is equal to A sin ct plus B cos dx. Then dimensions of A by B and C by D are. In these questions, some terms are given respect to time and distance. The equations of force is to be given. So now we want to find the dimensions of A by B and C by D. So let's see the solutions. Like A by B. So here in these equations A and B totally depends upon this force. So now write in the equations of A by B is equal to force by force. There is no dimension, is cancelled to each other. That's why we write m power 0, l power 0, t power 0. After that, in this equation, ct it is nothing but an angle. So now we want to find the c. C is equal to angle by time. So t is nothing but time. This is equal to 1 by t. So angle, it's not have a dimensions. That's why simply we write here 1 upon time is equal to t. So we write the dimensions like t. So finally we get t power minus 1. Same like dx is equal to angle. So now we want to find d is equal to angle by distance. In these questions are already given x, it is nothing but distance. That's why we write here the distance. This is equal to, so 1 divided by L. In these equations, we can write L inverse. So finally rearrange, we get C by D is equal to T inverse upon L inverse. In this L inverse is goes to numerator, we get T inverse and L. So finally we write in the full format like m power 0, so L t power minus 1. This is a correct answer for these questions. Okay, thank you for watching this video.